Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with the MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough. We just traded in this 2022 Bennington 23RSBA swingback with cladded arch, and that is an electric cladded arch. This is the R series, so you got the movable cup holders, flip down armrests up front, phone charger. It's got the big L seat going into the swingback. We got the nice simrad here, RGB lighting, Rockford Fosgate stereo system, Rockford Fosgate up in the tower. The deluxe swingback, so you got the seating three ways here. This way, the backs flip up, and this does have the 300 Mercury digital outboard. Awesome boat, ski tow bar, speaker grills on the back. Clean boat, like I said, only 30 hours. Come and check this boat out. It's going to be at the store here, MarineMax, and it'll be online at MarineMaxGreenville.com. So once again, 30 hours on a Bennington 23RSBA swingback cladded tower, electric tower with the 300 Mercury.